Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you know that we were on unit number 8 of our GK syllabus. So today I'm going to continue with another topic from the same unit number 8, that is the highest and the tallest, which is given at page number 76. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 76, that is the highest and the tallest. So basically in this topic we will discuss about the highest and the tallest buildings of the world. Okay, तो there are several buildings in the world जो कि बहुत ऊंची और बहुत लंबी हैं. So there's a difference between the highest and the tallest. Okay, highest means सबसे ऊंची and the tallest means सबसे लंबी. Okay, so this is the general very small difference between these two. So let's begin with the topic, and in this topic we will discuss about the various beautiful, the tallest and the highest buildings that are located in the different countries, which have their own importance, own features and own popularity. And there's a story, there's some information that I'm going to share with you all about these buildings. So first of all, we will talk about the tallest building. Okay, this is the tallest building in the world. दुनिया में सबसे ऊंची इमारत जो आज तक बनी है, this is the first one, that is Burj Khalifa, which is located in Dubai. Okay, so let's read about this Burj Khalifa first. So 828-meter high Burj Khalifa is a super tall skyscraper in Dubai, UAE. It is the tallest structure ever built by humans. This grand 163-storied structure also sets a world record with the maximum number of floors and the tallest freestanding structure. The triple-lobed footprints of the building has been designed to look like a desert flower called Hymenocallis. Okay, so first of all we are talking about the tallest building of the world. तो ये दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची इमारत है जिसका नाम है बुर्ज खलीफा, and this is located in Dubai, UAE. So UAE is United Arab Emirates. तो वहाँ पे एक सिटी है, that is Dubai, and this Burj Khalifa is located there only, and this is the tallest building of the world. Okay, and you can see it is written there that its height is near about 828 मीटर. तो इसकी हाइट 828 मीटर है. सो इट इज आई थिंक नियर अबाउट 100 मीटर्स लेस देन 150 नियर अबाउट, मतलब 150 मीटर कम है जस्ट बिकॉज 1 किलोमीटर. मतलब दिस इज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द, नॉट दिस इज द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग. आज तक की जितनी भी मैन मेड बिल्डिंग्स है, दिस इज द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग अमंग ऑल दीज. Okay, so there are 106, this is a 163 storied structure. यहाँ पे 163 stories हैं. 163 stories means build what stories, मंजिलें जिसको मंजिल बोलते हैं ना. So this is 163 stories building. Okay, and it sets a world record with the maximum number of floors. So this is not only the tallest building in the world, but it also sets the record of having the maximum number of floors in a building. तो दुनिया में आज तक जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ फ्लोर्स इसी में है, दैट इज़ 163. ओके, एंड दिस बिल्डिंग बुर्ज खलीफा लुक्स लाइक अ डेजर्ट फ्लावर. तो एक डेजर्ट का एक फ्लावर है, इट्स नेम इज़ हाइमेनोकैलिस. ओके, सो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बुर्ज खलीफा इज सिमिलर टू दिस. ओके, so this is located in, so basically you have to learn about where is it located. So Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai, UAE. Chaliye, moving next to the second one, that is the Shanghai Tower. The Shanghai Tower, which is 632 meter tall, is listed as the tallest tower in the China and became the second tallest in the world when it was completed in the year 2015. It has 128 stories and is an engineer feat with a strong foundation. As Shanghai is a frequent earthquake zone, it is also known for its green and sustainable architecture elements. So now we are talking about one of the tower that is located in China. So this tower you can see in the picture as well. So this tower is known as the Shanghai Tower, and the length of this tower is 132 meter. So ये 632 मीटर लंबा है. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द टॉलेस्ट टावर इन चाइना. तो चाइना में जितने भी टावर्स हैं तो इसमें ये सबसे बड़ा टावर है. ओके, एंड दिस बिकेम द सेकेंड टॉलेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड व्हेन इट वाज कंप्लीटेड इन 2015. सो 2015 में जब भी कंप्लीट हुआ था, सो इट वाज द सेकेंड टॉलेस्ट टावर इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, एंड देयर आर 128 स्टोरीज, 128 फ्लोर्स. ओके, 128 128 फ्लोर्स हैं, स्टोरीज हैं. ओके, एंड यू नो शंघाई इज़ अ फ्रीक्वेंट अर्थक्वेक जोन. तो शंघाई में अक्सर बहुत जल्दी अर्थक्वेक्स आते रहते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ फ्रीक्वेंट अर्थक्वेक जोन. सो दिस व्हेन दिस वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड, तो इस अर्थक्वेक की जो फ्रीक्वेंट अर्थक्वेक को ध्यान में रखते हुए इसकी जो फाउंडेशन, इसको जो बनाया गया था, इसका जो बेस बनाया गया था. ओके, एंड दिस इज कम्प्लीटली, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन फॉर इट्स ग्रीन एंड सस्टेनेबल आर्किटेक्चर एलिमेंट्स. सो जो इसमें आर्किटेक्चर में जितना भी चीज़ें यूज़ हुई हैं, तो ये दिस इज़ क्वाइट अ वेरी इको फ्रेंडली. ओके, सो दिस इज़ बीइंग यूज इन इट्स. ओके, फॉर दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन फॉर दैट. So basically you have to remember about where is it located. So Shanghai Tower is located in China and its length is 632 meter. Okay, and it has 128 stories. Done? Okay. Moving next to the third one. This is the One World Trade Center. The name is the One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, is built at the site of the terrorist demolished twin towers at the World Trade Center in the New York, United States, with a height of 541.3 meter. It is currently the tallest building in the United States and also the Western Hemisphere. So now we are talking about the One World Trade Center. The One World Trade Center. Now what is this One World Trade Center? Actually, there was twin towers in actually this World Trade Center is located in न्यू यॉर्क, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. तो ये यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में ट्विन टावर्स थे. ओके, सो ट्विन टावर है, बट इससे पहले देयर वर ट्विन टावर्स इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स दैट वर नोन एज द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर. बट नाउ देर इज़ ओनली वन. बट अभी फ़िलहाल एक ही है. वाई दिस इज सो? पहले देर वर टू ट्विन टावर्स दैट वर नोन एज द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर एंड दैट वॉज लोकेटेड इन न्यू यॉर्क, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. But now there is only one. Why so? Actually on the 11th September 2001, those twin towers, those are known as World Trade Center, they were demolished in the terrorist attack by Osama bin Laden. ओके, तो एक टेररिस्ट अटैक हुआ था 11 सितंबर 2001 में, जिसमें वो दोनों ट्विन टावर्स जो वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर है वो डिमोलिश ख़त्म हो गए थे. ओके, and World Trade, those twin towers, they were demolished completely. So after some years, Dubara World Trade Center was again, the World Trade Center was constructed at the place of those only twin towers. Only twin towers की जगह पे this One World Trade Center was constructed in the place of the twin towers that were known as World Trade Center. Okay. And now this One World Trade Center is the tallest building. Okay, this is the tallest building in the New York, United States. So United States में जितने भी buildings हैं, okay, this is the tallest buildings in the United States, New York. New York, United States. Okay, so they have also given the measurement, the length, okay, how tall this one World Trade Center is. So this is 541.3 meter. So they have given the measurement of this one World Trade Center, that is 541.3 meter. Okay, and this is, as I have already told you, this is the currently the tallest building in the United States and also in the Western Hemisphere. So where is it located? It is located in the New York, United States, and it is known as the World Trade Center. Done? Chaliye. Moving next to the fourth one, that is Taipei. Now what is Taipei Tower? Taipei 101. So let's learn about it now. At 508 meter, Taipei 101 in Taiwan is one of the world's tallest completed structure and has been named as one of the 7 new wonders of the world, as well as one of the 7 wonders of engineering. The fireworks show from the building on New Year's Eve is a spectacular event watched on TV by the people from all over the world. So now we are talking about another tower, that is the Taipei 101 tower, that is located in Taiwan. Okay, so now हम ताइवान की एक बिल्डिंग की बात करें, that is known as Taipei Tower. Okay, and the length of this tower is 508 meter. Okay, so this is the and this Taipei Tower is also included into the new 7 wonders of the world. Okay, so this has also been included into the new 7 wonders of the world, and this is also one of the 7 wonders of engineering. So engineers द्वारा बनाया गया ये एक 7 wonders में से भी एक गिना गया है. So this is one of the this building has its due to its unique design, it has its own unique importance. Okay. Now next is, why is it so famous? Because of its fireworks, fireworks show that is always a eye catcher, or has a great center of attraction the people who watches this firework from this building, okay, on the New Year's Eve. तो नए साल वाले दिन हर साल इस बिल्डिंग से जो रात को 12 बजे मिडनाइट 31 दिसंबर की मिडनाइट जब होती है, ओके, ऑन द 12 AM, सो देयर इज़ अ फायरवर्क शो दैट इज़ डन थ्रू दिस बिल्डिंग, एंड इट हैज़ इट्स ओन यूनिक आई कैचिंग, मतलब एक इसका जो आई कैचिंग मोमेंट है देन द व्हेन फायरवर्क्स इज डन फ्रॉम दैट बिल्डिंग. Okay, so it has a spectacular view for the people, those who are watching those fireworks. Okay, the fireworks show from the building on New Year's Eve is a spectacular event watched on the TV and by the people from all over the world. Okay, so not only the people, those who live in that near that, or those who go over there and just watch this, but this is also one of the center of attraction for the people, those who watch this fireworks show on the TV as well. Okay, so this is the Taipei Tower that is located in Taiwan. Okay, next is the next is the Tokyo Sky Tree. So let's learn about the Tokyo Sky Tree. Tokyo Sky Tree is the world's highest stand-alone communication tower at 634 meter. It is a broadcasting tower with many shops and the restaurants, as well as an aquarium and the planetarium. It is the second tallest structure in the world after Burj Khalifa. Its base is of 300 meter diameter. There are 2 observation decks at 350 meter and the 450 meter. So now we are talking about the Tokyo Sky Tree, which is the world's second highest standalone communication tower. Okay, so Burj Khalifa ke baad, this is the second tallest building in the world, which is located in that is located in Japan. So this is known as Tokyo Sky Tree, and it is in Japan. And there, this is the world's highest standalone communication tower at 634 meters. So its measurement is also given to, that is 634 meter. Okay, so this Tokyo Sky Tree or this star, it has many restaurants and the shops as well. And there is also aquarium. Aquarium means जहाँ पे fishes वगैरह होते, that is known as aquarium. And planetarium, that the animals. Okay, so this is not animals, actually planetarium, जहाँ पे जो planets के regarding show होता है, like they show the space show. Okay, इसमें space की pictures and दिखाई जाती हैं. Okay, so that is a planetarium show. Okay, and this is the second tallest structure in the world after Burj Khalifa. So after Burj Khalifa, this is the second tallest structure in the world, and its base is about 300-meter diameter. So इसका जो base है, that is about 300-meter diameter. Okay, and it has 2 observation decks. यहाँ पे 2 observation decks हैं where they do all the observation. So they have given they're telling us about the 2 observation decks that are situated at that is located at 350 meter and 450 meter. Okay, so this is the Tokyo Sky Tree. Now moving next to the last one, that is the world famous Petronas Twin Towers. So now we are talking about the Petronas Twin Towers. Okay, Twin Towers means twin का मतलब क्या होता है, एक जैसे दिखने वाले. Twins means just similar, those who look alike. So now we're talking about the 2 towers. Those who look same or those who look alike, they are known as Petronas Twin Towers. So the world famous Petronas Twin Towers at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia are the 2 similar towers, each for 451.9 meter high. They are the tallest twin buildings in the world. The buildings have the world's deepest foundation and have a 2-story sky bridge which connects them on the 41st and the 42nd floors. So as you can see the picture, okay class. So here you can see in the picture. So this is the twin towers. The 2 towers that look like those who look alike. Okay, and they are located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. ये Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia में है. There the measurement is, और each building, दोनों building की measurement कितने 451.9 meter. So this is the measurement of both the buildings, each building, not each building. Okay. Okay, so they are the tallest twin tower buildings in the world. ये दुनिया के जितने भी twin towers है, they are the tallest twin towers building in the world. The buildings have the world's deepest foundation and have a 2-story sky bridge which connects them on the 41st and the 42nd floors. So these twin tower buildings, they have a sky bridge. So जो कि इन दोनों buildings को 41st and 42nd floor पे आपस में connect करती है. So this is it has a 2-story sky bridge which is connected. So ये दोनों जो buildings हैं, they are connected to each other at 41st and the 42nd floor. Okay. Now we'll talk about the quick quiz that is given below. So some questions are given. You have to write the answers only. So the first one is, these twin towers were destroyed in the terrorist attacks on the 11th September 2001. So I have explained it when I was explaining about the One World Trade Center. So ये World Trade Center, these were destroyed by the terrorist attack on 11th September 2001. So what is the name of this twin tower? So they are World Trade Center. They are World Trade Center. You can see their names as well. Moving next to the second one, this spectacular building in the hotel in Dubai. So now we're talking about one of the very costly or very expensive hotel in the world that is located in Dubai. So what is that? That is Burj Al Arab. Okay, that is Burj Al Arab. That is one of the expensive hotels in the world and especially in Dubai. That is Burj Al Arab. Third one, this historical tower built at the turn of 13th century in the Delhi is also world's tallest brick minaret. So now we are talking about the tallest building that was built in the 13th century in New Delhi, and ये bricks ईंट से बनी हुई एक इमारत है. So what is the name of this tower? That is Qutub Minar. That is Qutub Minar, which is located in Old Delhi. Last one. This famous building is a prominent part of the cityscape of the New York City, the city skyscrapers. So now, this building is, what is the name of this building? That is known as Empire State Building. Okay? Chaliye. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.